Hey guys. Quick warning before we start. If you think AI is going to magically make you rich overnight, this video might actually save you from wasting months of your time. In today's video, I'm breaking down real, proven ways to make money from home using AI in 2026. Not theory, not hype, not buy my course and pray. I'll show you the exact tools, the exact platforms, and exactly how beginners are using AI to hit their first $5,000 to $10,000 per month. Make sure you watch till the end, because method number 4 is the fastest growing AI opportunity I've seen so far, and most people still don't know about it. And if you want more no BS AI business breakdowns like this, hit subscribe. I post what's actually working, not what sounds good on Twitter. Method 1. Instant website flipper. Let me ask you something. When was the last time you visited a small business website and thought, yep, this looks modern and trustworthy? Exactly. Most local businesses, dentists, plumbers, accountants, are stuck with websites that look like they're from 2005. They know it's bad. They hate it. But agencies are quoting them $10,000 or more, and 3 months. And here's the crazy part. You can now rebuild those sites in under 2 minutes using AI. You show them the old site next to the new one and say, this could be your website by next week. Start at $500, move to $1,000, then $2,000. Do just 2 or 3 per week, and you're already touching $10,000 per month. And this is just the entry point, because you can upsell them using the next methods I'm about to show you. Method 2. AI Tools Audit. This next method is hands down the easiest way to get started, especially if you're not technical. Here's the problem. Every business owner knows they should be using AI, but they're completely overwhelmed. Thousands of tools, no time to test them, and zero clarity. You become the person who brings AI clarity. You ask, what tasks waste the most time? What bottlenecks are killing productivity? Then you come back with 3 to 5 AI tools that directly solve those problems. You're not coding. You're not building software. You're getting paid for knowing what works. Beginners, $200 to $500 per audit. Experienced, $1,000 to $5,000. Enterprise, $10,000 plus. At my agency, we've charged $60,000 for a 4-week audit for a 200-person company. Method 3. AI Creative Studio. Every brand needs content constantly. Ads, product photos, social posts, videos, and traditionally slow, expensive, painful. But one person with the right AI tools can now replace an entire creative team. Learn this properly, and you become a one-person AI creative studio. Simple offer: $2,000 per month, 150 images, 10 short videos. Stack just 5 clients, and you're at $10,000 per month. But the next method, this is where businesses immediately see the value. Method 4. AI Voice Agents. How many times have you called a business? No answer. Long hold times, or no callback. Every single time that happens, that business is losing money. AI voice agents fix this. 24/7. You didn't just build a demo. You built a money-saving system. Entry level. $2,000 to $5,000 setup. Monthly management fees. Advanced systems. Appointment booking. CRM integration. Follow UPS. If you want to seriously learn how to build AI systems like this, subscribe now. Method 5. AI training for teams. Companies are paying thousands for AI tools, and their teams are using them to write birthday messages. It's a massive waste. Businesses don't need more tools. They need someone to teach them how to use them properly. Start with free workshops. Get testimonials. Then move to $500 to $1,000 sessions. $2,000 to $5,000 intensives. Ongoing retainers. One guy in my community has made $400,000 using this exact model. So there you have it. 5 real ways to make money from home with AI in 2026. If I had to recommend just one, for most people, AI tools audits. Easiest entry. Insane demand. If this video helped you, do 2 things. First, like the video. It helps the algorithm push this to more people. Second, subscribe. Because I'm going to keep breaking down what's actually working in AI. Step by step. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you in the next one.